The Tower of Babel. After the Great Flood, all people on earth spoke the same language. As they moved eastward, they settled in a land called Shinar. There, they decided to build a grand city and a tower that reached the heavens. They said, "Let us build a tower to make a name for ourselves, so we won't be scattered across the earth." They worked together using bricks and tar, proud of what they could achieve. But God saw what they were doing. He knew their pride was leading them to trust in themselves instead of Him. So, God decided to stop their plan by confusing their language. Suddenly, people couldn't understand each other. The work stopped, and they scattered in all directions. The city was named Babel, because it was there that God confused their language. Moral of the story: pride leads to division, but obedience to God brings unity and purpose. When we try to glorify ourselves instead of honoring God, our plans fall apart.